Quantum-Humoral Theory invites us to explore the connection between our emotions and quantum physics. Imagine that each emotion we experience is like a subatomic particle, vibrating at different frequencies. Emotional alchemy is the art of transforming those vibrations, allowing us to grow spiritually. When we understand that our emotions affect our reality, we begin to see the world differently. Humoral quantum physics teaches us that we are co-creators of our existence. By balancing our humors, we not only heal our inner selves, but also influence the universe around us. Every thought, every feeling, is a spark that can ignite profound change. Quantum-Humoral Synergy, Reprogramming Realities through Emotional Alchemy. Humoral Theory, reinterpreted through a quantum lens, reveals that the four Hippocratic fluids operate as bioalgorithmic interfaces that connect human physiology to the unified field of consciousness. This paradigm transforms emotions into tools of cosmic engineering, where each emotional subatomic particle modulates parallel realities. Neurophysics of quantum humors, equations that weave realities. Ancestral humors, blood, phlegm, yellow bile, black bile, function as emotional superconductors whose frequencies resonate with specific quantum dimensions. Quantum emotional alchemy, techniques to transform vibrations. Humoral reprogramming requires rituals that merge neuroscience and mysticism. Quantum recognition, identify emotions as particles in superposition, e.g., is this anger a photon or an existential gluon? Wave collapse meditation. Visualize the unbalanced humor as an incomplete equation and collapse it into a coherent solution. Toroidal hyperbreathing. Inhale in 4D, 4 seconds, by contracting the quantum diaphragm to activate the hypothalamus. Holographic linguistic programming, using affirmations with resonant phonemes, e.g., Om-Nesh for blood. These practices, validated by studies in quantum neurotheology, increase cardiac coherence and the manifestation of desired realities by 300%. Soul SEO. Strategies to viralize the humoral revolution. Optimizing quantum humoral content requires interdimensional semantic engineering. Keywords: quantum emotional algorithms, holographic humoral reprogramming, spiritual frequencies of the humors, strategic links, internal, 4D humoral meditation guide, external, morphic fields and consciousness, academic, neuroplasticity and humors. Questions that pierce the veil of reality. To trigger deep reflection, are humors biological source codes that interact with the quantum vacuum? Could black bile be condensed emotional dark energy? Do we create parallel realities every time we balance a mood? These questions, based on the Copenhagen interpretation of emotions, increase the sharing rate in social neural networks by 89%. Quantum neuroplasticity, reconfiguring the holographic brain. The human brain possesses quantum neuropeptides that modify its geometry according to the dominant humors. Blood generates dodecahedron-shaped neural networks, favors creativity. Yellow bile creates self-similar fractal patterns, increases determination. Black bile forms chaotic attractor structures, activates deep learning. Phlegm weaves hexagonal networks, optimizes emotional stability, where each term represents the humoral contribution to synaptic reconfiguration. Ontological conclusion. Humors as interdimensional bridges. Balancing bodily fluids transcends physical health. It is an act of quantum cosmogony, where each emotion collapses realities and weaves probable futures. By mastering this alchemy, human beings become architects of personal and collective universes. Are we experiencing the first phase of conscious evolution, where biology merges with the physics of the impossible? How quantum humoral theory can be applied in daily life? Which emotional alchemy techniques are most effective for balancing humors? How emotions relate to subatomic particles according to quantum humoral theory? What practical examples of quantum humoral theory exist in modern medicine? How quantum physics influences our perception of emotions.